everyone, this is Devjani from The Beautiful Us. We all are beautiful in our own way, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to share this look here. So this look I have created for the coming Navratri series. This is a very wearable and easy to create look. I'm a Bengali, so I am going to dedicate this look for the day of Panchami, that is the 5th day of Navratri. So if you are interested in this look, then please keep on watching. Going to the actual video, if you are new to my channel, then please consider subscribe. Hit to that notification bell so that you will never miss any of my upcoming videos. Also follow me on my social media. I am quite active there, and I'll give all the links to the screen and as well as in the description box. Do check out, and thank you so much for watching.
Everyone, so I have applied this Mist Clear primer. Then today I'm going to use Infallible from L'Oreal Paris as a foundation. I'm going to blend it with a damp beauty blender. Then for concealer I'm going to use this Pro Conceal from LA Girl. I'm going to dot it over my usual places, and also going to blend it with a damp beauty blender. Then to set this, I'm going to use this Mist Clear loose powder. And for brow, I'm going to use this Wet n Wild brow pencil, and I'm going to define my brows nicely. Now for my eyes, I'm going to take this shade from Morphe palette and going to define my crease and upper crease area and all over my eyelid, and then taking this shade I'm going to blend it with the earlier shade, and then again taking this red shade and going to blend it with the earlier shades. Now I'm going to take this pink shade from Miss Rose palette, and with my fingers I'm going to place it to my lid area. Then with a fluffy brush I'm going to blend the edges for the seamless finish. Now taking this Lakme eyeliner, I'm going to draw a wing eyeliner. Then with the both shade orange and pink, I'm going to smoke out my lower line area of my eyes. Now with this Nykaa Kajal pencil, I'm going to draw a line to my waterline, lower waterline, and then going to highlight my inner corner and brow bone area. Then with my favorite mascara, I'm going to do my mascara. Now with this contour palette from Wet n Wild, I'm going to do my contour to my usual places. And with this Maybelline Cheeky Glow, I'm going to do my blush on. And with the highlighting shade from Morphe palette, I'm going to highlight my usual areas. Then for my lips, I am taking this pink lip liner and going to line my lips, and also I'm going to fill the color with this pencil only. Now I'm going to top this color with this NYX lip shade. Now I'm going to take this Wet n Wild makeup setting spray and going to spray all over my face. So now my look is complete. This is a very easy to create look. You can create this within minutes. So how do you like this look? Let me know in the comment section below, and if you like, then please give a big thumbs up. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.